Peace of mind. Set lights to automatically adjust with changing seasons so your family always comes back to a well-lit home. You can also enable the Smart Away feature to randomly turn your lights on and off to look like you're home even if you're away. Adjusting lights and shades from a smartphone has never been easier, more reliable, or affordable. Experience the ultimate convenience with the Lutron Caseta Wireless Dimmer, Pico remote control and Smart Bridge. The wireless dimmer gives you the ability to set the right light for any activity, whether it's reading, watching TV, entertaining, or having a casual dinner. The dimmer works up to 600 watts of incandescent or halogen and 150 watts of dimmable LED or dimmable CFL. Control the lights from anywhere in the room by using the Pico remote control, either in your hand, on a tabletop pedestal, sold separately, or by mounting the remote directly to the wall. You can even use the Pico remote to control the lights from your car as you arrive home. Use the Lutron Smart Bridge and app to control lights and shades from anywhere, schedule them to adjust automatically based on the time of day, or create your favorite scenes that adjust multiple lights and shades with the press of a button. This kit includes one wireless in-wall dimmer, one Pico remote control, one coordinating screwless wall plate and one Lutron Smart Bridge. Pico remote control takes 1 County Route 2032 battery included in remote. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install use. Perfect. Can easily install, configure, set up schedules to turn on, off, and even control the lights remotely through your smartphone. Very intuitive.